Paano niyo po na-handle yung mga kaso nila? Kasi mga bigatin, di ba? Ang bibigat.
Hindi na, mag-aang na si Claudine ngayon. Kaya-kaya ng buhatin. Carry bells na, carry bells.
I'm not doing this only for myself, but I'm doing this for my future granddaughters. And kung ano naman yung mga batang mga uneducated, paano nila malalaman kung malapit na pala silang ma-rape, yung mga signs na ganito? How do you know? If hindi natin to tutuunin ng pansin, now, this will repeat. I don't want another Denise Cornejo na mapunta sa isang ganito, mabully, ma-demonize or whatever, ma-character assassination na alam ko hindi niya kakayanin. And that's why I really do my best, and by God's help, na sana ma-raise natin dito this society na to. So, that's only my motive. Wala akong pinapatamaan ng tao, but just have to be, you know, we have to learn the proper and the right education with them. Na, you know, ang babae kailangan hindi kailangan, dapat respetuhin. Okay? No matter, hindi porket naka-shorten, kailangan mo nakipuin. Kaya nga, you don't have the right, diba? So, if this, usually napapansin ko puro babae, kapwa babae pa ang nakikipag, nagbabash sa isa't isa. It's very indecent to see that. Yes, at hindi ko naman yung pinapatulan. I respect their opinion. Sabi nga nila, you're the reflection of what you do. Okay? But respeto naman natin, okay? If you think that hindi ayaw mo supportahan siya, pero you know, that's your life. You cannot judge someone just sa isang pagsubok lamang. So, respeto din natin. May kanya-kanya tayong pagsubok. Nagkataon lang na yung isa na-publicize, na-expose, yung iba naman in private. So, ganun na, let's learn. We're all Filipino. We have to stand as one.
Hindi naman ako tinatamaan. I respect women. Alam mo
Oh,
yun.
Sa mga ba nakarelate na kung
Hindi nakakapalapot dito.
Yung mga battered women, medyo nakarelate yata siya.
Anong masasabi mo na kasi si Miss Juday, sabi niya, willing daw siyang makatrabaho ka, sabi, excited na daw siyang
To work with you again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it has always been a dream. What people don't know kasi is that Juday and I are we're really, really good friends. And marami kaming pinagdaanan together na hindi alam ng tao.
Paano mo naman?
Hindi, may mga magaganda at hindi magaganda. Pero one thing for sure, there was a time in our lives na it had something to do with my daughter and her daughter. Parang ganon. And that's when talaga we really parang worked hand in hand. And this is about Johan and this is also about Serena. And so, ever since naman talaga, may close kami ni Juday na hindi lang talaga pinapaalam sa tao. Kasi nga before, di ba, may parang Nora Vilma, na ganang angle, ganyan. But, matagal na namin gusto rin talaga gumawa ng movie together. But, kung kailan mangyayari yun, hindi pa kasi yun ang naka-line up sa akin ngayon. But, of course, I'd love to work with her. I mean, she's a wonderful actress. She's a wonderful person and friend. So, I really love her. I really do.
First, bukod na nabagit ko nung may comeback na ba? May mga proyekto na mga nakalinyang gagawin?
Yes, oo. But
Ano yung mga pelikula ba to, serie?
Movie, pero ano muna kami, we want to be quiet about it muna. And para, ano lang.
She's 30, di ba? Or Viva?
It's gonna be Viva Star.
Viva Star.